children, welcome back. Children, yesterday we discussed various applications of the electrochemical series. जिसमें एक था to find the EMF of a cell. पर वहाँ पर हमने जो निकाला that is E0 cell. That means the EMF of the cell when it is working under standard condition. और standard condition में क्या आएगा? जब दोनों इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स का दोनों सेल्स में दोनों हाफ में सॉल्यूशंस जो है उसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन 1 मोलर है एंड द टेम्परेचर इज 298 केल्विन. अगर कोई गैस इन्वॉल्व है तो प्रेशर इज 1 बार. इन दैट केस आपके पास जो सेल का ईएमएफ होगा E0 सेल इज इक्वल टू E0 कैथोड माइनस E0 एनोड. बट कंसिडर चिल्ड्रन, अगर हम सॉल्यूशन का कंसेंट्रेशन चेंज करते हैं दोनों हाफ सेल्स में, सपोज एनोड में कैथोड में, इफ वी चेंज द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, अगर वो 1 मोलर नहीं है, इन दैट केस द ईएमएफ विल चेंज. ऑल्सो अगर टेम्परेचर चेंज करते हैं तब भी आपका ईएमएफ चेंज होता है. एंड दिस डिपेंडेंस ऑफ ईएमएफ ऑन टेम्परेचर एंड कंसेंट्रेशन, how it depends on temperature and how it varies with concentration, this was studied by Nernst and it is given by Nernst equation. See, according to Nernst equation children, Nernst equation, if you change the temperature or the concentration, then the reduction potential E, अब हम इसको E बोलेंगे, not E0. E0 specifies standard condition. E will be equal to E0 minus RT upon NF Ln. I'll explain these terms. Concentration of the metal upon N plus N. देखो, ये एक इलेक्ट्रोड है जिसमें आपके पास you have a metal N, right? And this metal loses N electrons, तो इसका चार्ज हो जाएगा plus N and it is losing N electrons. जैसे for example जिंक 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है, सिल्वर 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करता है. So this is how many electrons are lost. जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करेगा उतना यहाँ पर चार्ज plus N. and R 8.314 कांस्टेंट हो गया. टेम्परेचर देखो, टेम्परेचर अगर स्टैंडर्ड कंडीशन है तो 298 और अगर कुछ और है तो हम इसका वैल्यू कुछ और लेंगे, जो भी आपको गिवन है दैट कैन बी टेकन. बट जनरली आपके क्वेश्चंस में टेम्परेचर इज नॉट वेरिएड, व्हाट इज वेरिएड इज कंसंट्रेशन. तो जनरली टेम्परेचर रिमेन्स 298 केल्विन. F N is the number of moles of electron transferred और F से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो चार्ज आ जाएगा इन कूलम्स. सो F is 96500 कूलम्स. नाउ जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व दिस, इसको आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो E is equal to E0 minus RT upon NF. This is natural logarithm, इसको base 10 log में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो we multiply by 2.303. So this can be written now as 2.303 log m upon n plus n, the concentration of the ion. अब देखिए, अगर हम इसको 1 मोलर ले रहे थे तो this is 1 upon 1, that is 1. जो सॉलिड है, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉलिड इज टेकन एज अ कांस्टेंट, तो ये 1 हो गया. और यहाँ पर इसको भी 1 लेते हैं तो log 1 is 0. 1 means 10 to the power 0 and log 10 to the power x. Log 10 to the power x is equal to x. Therefore, this is, if this is 1, 1 can be written as 10 to the power 0. Therefore, log 1 is 0. तो in that case अगर ये 1 मोलर हुआ तो ये पूरी चीज 0 हो जाएगी and therefore this will be equal to E0. तो जब 1 मोलर concentration होता है then the EMF is E0. But when it changes, like if you have some different concentration, then now I can solve this value. R into 298 into 2.303, n हर केस में different होगा. This part is constant. And the value of this constant children, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो comes out to be 0.059 upon n log, this is taken as 1 n plus n. So this is the electrode potential of an electrode जब आपकी concentration change हो जाती है, वन मोलर नहीं होती है. Now applying this, if you apply this to Daniell cell, इसको Daniell cell में apply करके देखते हैं. It will be something like this. Daniell cell is the zinc copper cell that you have done. For cathode, for copper, अब I can write E is equal to E naught, reduction potential of copper, minus 0.059 upon N. N is number of electrons transferred. Zinc और copper के cell में, Daniell cell में, this N is equal to 2. So this will be taken as 2. Log 1 upon Cu plus 2, concentration of Cu plus 2 ions. This is reduction potential of copper. Reduction potential of copper when we have changed the concentration. When it is something else, it is not 1 molar. Then likewise I can write for zinc. Reduction potential of zinc electrode is equal to E naught of zinc electrode minus 0.059 upon N, in this case N2, 2 electrons transferred, log 1 upon concentration of Zn plus 2. Now if you need to find E cell, children, EMF of the cell, not the standard EMF, EMF when we have changed the concentration. So EMF is E cathode, this is cathode, and this is anode. E cathode minus E anode, इसको subtract करेंगे तो I'll have like this. E cathode minus E anode is E cell now. This is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught of copper minus E naught of zinc. This is E naught cell minus, taking 0.059 upon N as common, log 1 upon Cu plus 2 minus log 1 upon Zn plus 2. Now children, log A minus B is equal to, log A minus log B is equal to log A upon B. So this can be written as log A upon B. So 1 upon copper upon 1 upon zinc. So zinc ऊपर जाएगा. So I have like this. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N log 1 upon copper ion remains here, upon 1 upon zinc. So zinc goes here, Zn plus 2. So that is your Nernst equation for the Daniell cell. We are concerned with this expression, children. आपको जब भी सेल दिया जाएगा, आपको ये Nernst expression पहले लिखना है, because the error that you commonly make, calculation में error नहीं होगा. इसके बाद you are left with only the calculation where you have a possibility of committing an error. One is आप इसको उल्टा करते हैं. That is one possibility, and second possibility is you don't find the correct value of N or the number of electrons that are transferred. Now, see children, to remember, to memorize, आप इसको ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं. जो oxidize होता है, you can write here the electrode oxidized upon electrode reduced. To remember, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन देता है वो ऊपर, जो लेता है वो नीचे. देने वाला हमेशा ऊपर और लेने वाला नीचे. तो जिंक आयन ऊपर, कॉपर आयन नीचे. So we will first practice how to write Nernst equation for various solutions. अगर आप Nernst equation ठीक लिखेंगे तो half the thing is done. Calculation is only a small part of the question. Important thing is to write this Nernst equation correctly. Let us discuss some more examples. Suppose you have a cell where I am discussing a general case and then we discuss specific examples. See, we have a cell where you have this cell reaction. The cell reaction is A moles of A plus B moles of B gives C moles of C and D moles of D. अगर ये आपका सेल रिएक्शन है, सेल में रिएक्शन ये वाला हो रहा है, तो I can write Nernst equation as E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log concentration of the products first. In the numerator, C raised to the power C. If this is the stoichiometric coefficient, C raised to the power C, D raised to the power D upon A raised to the power A and D raised to the power D. That is the general expression. इसको आप Daniell cell में अगर अप्लाई करेंगे, that means zinc copper sulfate वाला जो cell है, देखो in that cell the reaction that is taking place is in Daniell cell. The reaction that is taking place is like this: zinc plus Cu plus 2 gives Zn plus 2 and Cu. तो हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया. What we can do is I can write E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon how many electrons transferred? Zinc is giving 2 electrons to Cu plus 2. तो ये आ जाएगा 2 log products में you have Zn plus 2 into copper. अब copper being metal, इसको हम 1 ले लेते हैं, ऊपर आएगा Zn plus 2, नीचे concentration of zinc into concentration of copper. Zinc again solid है, constant, इसको हम 1 ले लेंगे. You will have here concentration of Cu plus 2 like this. E naught कैलकुलेट करने के लिए you will be given either the electrode potential of copper and zinc, या तो ये दिया जाएगा या आपको E naught का वैल्यू देंगे. And taking these concentrations you can find the EMF of the cell when the conditions are not standard conditions. Now if you have children, the most important thing is if you are able to write the cell reaction properly, then there is hardly any possibility that you will make a mistake here. First learn to write the cell reaction, फिर आप Nernst equation easily लिख पाएंगे. See, for example, if I write a cell जिसमें ये cell reaction होता है, magnesium loses electrons Mg plus 2 and silver iron accepts electron Ag. E naught of magnesium, children, is minus 2.37 and E naught of silver is 0.80. Either this will be given or E naught cell, that is E naught cathode minus E naught anode, that will be given. Either of these will be given, so you can calculate the value of E naught. Now, how to write the Nernst equation for this reaction? Children, first of all, what you need to do is you have to balance the number of electrons that are gained and lost. क्योंकि उसी से आपको ये stoichiometric coefficient मिलेगा. अगर ये आपने गलत किया तो फिर जो आप powers लिखेंगे वो गलत करेंगे. So here the number of electrons lost, इसके लिए 1 है. It is gaining 1 electron. This is losing 2 electrons. एक 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन दे रहा है और दूसरा 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रहा है. दोनों के लिए n अलग अलग नहीं हो सकता. We have to balance it first. The number of electrons gained should be equal to the number of electrons lost. So I would write like this, children. In this case, magnesium loses 2 electrons. And Ag plus 1 is accepting 1 electron, you are getting silver. अब 2 electrons आपको balance करने हैं. So 2 Ag plus 1, 2 electrons gives 2 Ag. So I'll balance this equation and I will write like this. Now this is my balanced equation. Up. Comparing this like this. This is A moles of A, B moles of B, C moles of C and D moles of D. ये आपका जनरल इक्वेशन था, इसको कंपेयर करेंगे तो आई कैन राइट E cell, EMF of the cell is equal to E naught, right? E naught cell minus 0.059 अपॉन नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितना ट्रांसफर हुआ, मैग्नीशियम ने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज किया और 2 सिल्वर आयंस ने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन किया. सो नाउ नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ट्रांसफर्ड इज 2 लॉग. यहां पर आप लिखते हैं C raised to the power C, D raised to the power D. इसमें this being solid इसको नहीं लिखना, this is constant, इसको 1 लेंगे, only this is to be written. So here Mg plus 2, stoichiometric coefficient is 1 raised to the power 1 upon. Come this side, concentration of magnesium A raised to the power A, अब ये solid है, again this will not be written, you need to write only this. B raised to the power B, that means Ag plus 1 raised to the power 2. Again you can cross check. आपको दोबारा से क्रॉस चेक करना है. When you are at this point, please check. यहाँ पर चार्ज है +2, यहाँ पर +1 था इसलिए आपने स्क्वायर किया +2. ये 2 है तो इसलिए यहाँ पर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लॉस्ट, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स गेन. दिस इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ क्रॉस चेकिंग. इफ यू हैव मेड अ मिस्टेक वो आप यहाँ पर चेक कर सकते हो. Then you can proceed with the calculation. Now, suppose children, another way to check is in this equation, magnesium is getting oxidized. ये दे रहा है, देने वाला ऊपर, लेने वाला नीचे. तो magnesium ऊपर और silver नीचे. This is a common mistake we find in 50% of the questions. इसको आप उल्टा कर देते हैं. Second mistake, ये यहाँ पार नहीं लगाते. इसको हमेशा चेक कर लेना. यहाँ +2 है तो +1 into 2 that is 2. You will also check with this. ये इक्वेशन से भी चेक हो जाएगा. And third mistake is the number of electrons transferred n आप बैलेंस नहीं करते हैं. मैग्नीशियम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर रहा था लेकिन सिल्वर 1 गेन कर रहा था. तो you need 2 silver ions so that they gain 2 electrons. So that is a second point where you can cross check. उसके बाद calculation. First of all, learn to write only the Nernst equation. This calculation is not much of a deal. So once you know this correctly, you write this correctly, 2 मार्क्स का पार्ट हो जाता है. आपको 1 मार्क मिलता है E naught सेल कैलकुलेट करने के लिए, which is simple. E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Cathode 0.80, anode minus 2.37 दिया जाएगा. This will be given in the question. So you cannot make a mistake here. एक और मिस्टेक जो होगी, आप अगर उल्टा ले लेते हैं, कैथोड को एनोड, एनोड को कैथोड लेते हैं, तो आपका ये नेगेटिव आएगा. जैसे ही ये नेगेटिव आए आपको ये समझना है कि मैंने उल्टा ले लिया, मुझे इसको सीधा करना है. नेगेटिव आते यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक. EMF cannot be negative at all. Third example, children, suppose if you have a cell in which chromium is getting converted to Cr+3 and cadmium ions are accepting electrons and you're getting cadmium. ये आपका सेल रिएक्शन है. First, what we need to do is we need to balance the number of electrons lost and gained. उसके बाद ही आप Nernst equation लिखेंगे. See, chromium loses 3 electrons. ये हो गया. Cadmium +2 will gain 2 electrons. Number of electrons lost 3, number of electrons gained is 2. In order to make them equal, this will be multiplied by 2 and this will be multiplied by 3. So that your equation now is 2Cr plus 3 cadmium plus 2 gives 2Cr plus 3 and 3 cadmium. This is the point to cross check. यहाँ पर total charge on both sides should be equal. अगर number of electrons gained और lost बराबर है तो दोनों sides पे charge equal आएगा. 3 into +2 is +6. 2 into +3 is +6. So if you look at this, children, how many electrons lost and gained? When you multiply this is losing 6 electrons, this is gaining 6 electrons. So now I can write the equation as E नॉट कैथोड माइनस E नॉट एनोड। यहाँ पर क्रोमियम एनोड, कैडमियम कैथोड। जो ले रहा है वो कैथोड, जो लूज करता है, जो ऑक्सीडाइज होता है वो एनोड। E नॉट सेल माइनस 0.059 अपॉन नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ट्रांसफर्ड 6. 3 into plus 2 6 and 2 into plus 3 6. 6 electrons lost and 6 electrons gained. यहाँ से भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं. If you know how to write the cell reaction, you can calculate the value of n. तब यहाँ गलत नहीं होगा. Log concentration of the one which is giving electrons. कौन दे रहा है? Chromium. So chromium Cr plus 3. ये है in this equation. This is your balanced equation. Concentration of products. तो Cr plus 3 is equal to into cadmium होना चाहिए, but ये solid है, always taken as constant, इसको 1 ले लेते हैं, upon reactants में आओ. Concentration of reactants A raised to the power A, B raised to the power B. इसको आप neglect कर देंगे, 1 लेंगे. This is cadmium plus 2 raised to the power 3. Point of checking here, plus 3 into 2 plus 6 plus 2 into 3 6. 6 electrons lost, 6 electrons gained और यहाँ पर भी 6. ये तीनों equal होना चाहिए अगर आपका Nernst equation correct है. इसके बाद you are left with only the calculation part. We'll discuss questions based on Nernst equation in the next session, where we'll discuss only these questions. Now we are only discussing how to write the Nernst equation correctly. Now, second thing, children, is after this relationship between E naught, that is standard EMF of the cell, and Kc, that is equilibrium constant. Now see children, if I am having this general reaction, and this is in equilibrium, अगर सेल में ये रिएक्शन हो रहा है, ये इक्विलिब्रियम में है, तो नाउ चिल्ड्रन व्हेन दिस इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम, जब ये इक्विलिब्रियम में होगा तो C raised to the power C when in equilibrium, C raised to the power C into D raised to the power D upon A raised to the power A and B raised to the power B, ये होता है इक्वल टू Kc. कब? जब इक्विलिब्रियम में है. जब इक्विलिब्रियम में है तो दिस रेशियो इज Kc. और जब इक्विलिब्रियम में है तब सेकेंड थिंग इज reaction is in equilibrium, neither the forward reaction nor the reverse reaction is taking place. तब आपका EMF of the cell is 0. No current is flowing in the cell. तो जब ये equilibrium में होगा, this ratio is equal to Kc and E cell will be 0. Now, putting these values in the Nernst equation, substituting in Nernst equation. Nernst equation is like this. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF ln C raised to the power C, D raised to the power D upon A raised to the power A and B raised to the power B. अब putting these values, जब cell equilibrium में हुआ तो this is 0. I am putting this as 0 is equal to E naught cell minus RT upon NF ln, जब equilibrium में है तो this value is Kc, ln Kc. Now just rearranging this, E naught on one side, the remaining part on the other side, I arrive at this value. E naught cell is equal to RT upon NF ln Kc. Good enough. बट वर्किंग के लिए हम इसको थोड़ा सिंपल कर सकते हैं. ये कैलकुलेशन अगर हम पहले से करके रखें, जैसे हमने पहले किया, RT upon N, F का वैल्यू 96500 एंड ln को log में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे 2.303 log Kc. So except for this N, this remaining value we calculated earlier is 0.059 upon n log Kc. So E naught cell comes out to be 0.059 upon n log Kc working equation है. Otherwise this is the formula. E naught cell is RT upon NF ln Kc. Third thing children is we can also calculate the work done, the electrical work done. See, this is relationship between delta G naught, free energy. Free energy is maximum amount of work done, children. And maximum amount of work done, suppose this is delta G naught. And we know electrical work done is, electrical work होता है charge into potential difference. G naught means standard condition, so I am taking here E naught, standard conditions. And charge is N into F. अगर N moles of electron transfer हुए multiplied by 96500, that is charge. So NF E naught, that is equal to delta G naught. So delta G naught is equal to, and because this is released, so minus NF E naught. Now, the questions based on this, children, the numericals based on this we'll be discussing tomorrow. Just practice how to write Nernst equation. Till then, keep studying, work hard. Thank you so much.